Look at me, big smile, big smile.
Hi everybody, Paz here, with the little Finger along for the ride. This week's been a hot one. With a scorcher of a Saturday lined up, Jay asked me if we could hit the flats. Didn't have to ask me twice. We decided to try a new spot, somewhere a bit out of our way, and boy did it pay off. Jay got to reel in his first flathead, and we got a front row seat. Check it out. With the mercury rising, Jay and I headed out. We found a good area, with patches of weed punctuated by a drop-off within even Jay's casting distance. Wrapped up and covered in a metric ton of sunscreen, we started casting. Our game plan: one rod with soft plastics, in this case a ZMan Slim Swimz in watermelon red colour. The other rod had something we hadn't tried before, newly minted Vexed Buckabou Jig in blue. A new take on an old method. Thanks to Danga from Danga's Tackle Tips for pointing me towards them. The Slim Swim was destroyed by a blowy within 5 minutes, but there didn't seem to be too many, so I rejigged with a Streakz in nude chicken colour. Jay and I continued casting, Jay hopping the jig this way and that, and me retrieving slowly with a couple of rips here and there. Bang, first hookup, half an hour into the session. I held the fish until Jay arrived in a clatter of rocks and let him reel in the lizard. Definitely size, but Jay wanted to measure it. Unfortunately, our stuff was about 70 metres away across the rocks, so Jay went off-road, while I surfed our catch back. "36 centimetres. I spent some time teaching Jay about handling flathead and how to avoid the spikes. It made for a great photo. The fish was definitely table-sized, but Jay, as is his habit, wanted to release it. He swam away strongly under Jay's watchful camera work. Back to it. This time, we swapped rods. I sent out the Buckabou, heading along the shore, while Jay had a break, setting himself a mission to find the world's smoothest rock. With so much boat traffic, waves from the wake were inevitable. I was giving the jig a final hop to retrieve it when this happened. The best hit at the worst time, leaving me to surf both the fish and myself closer to shore. This flatty was bigger, 42 centimetres. After much deliberation, Jay decided on letting this one go as well. Didn't bother me. We all know I fish for the experience, rather than the sustenance. We headed up towards a new set of flats, but had no luck. With time ticking away, we decided to head back, casting lures along the riverbank. I reeled in my line to move when Jay's excited shout reached my ears.
That a fish? Fish? Yes. Here you go. Oh, look at him. Yes. Look at him. Pull it in, Jake. Pull it in. Walk backwards, walk backwards, walk backwards. Yay! flatty boy! Woo! It is, look at that. Oh, first pull. Yes. Boom. Look at this absolute beast.
Boy, was he happy. This model came in at 40 centimetres on the dot. Jay surprised me by asking to keep it. Apparently, he wanted to bring home a feed for Mum. We made our way back to the car. Jay had a spring in his step. Not surprising. As for me, I was just happy doing what I love with my family. Thanks for watching this episode, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you're a fan of Perth fishing. Or don't. Either way, we're still going fishing. As always, this video is dedicated to Jay and Em, my two sons. This is Paz and Jay, wishing you fair winds and tight lines. Until next time.